How to connect PayPal to Shopify store. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up your Shopify admin panel, and once you do that, click on the three lines at the top left of the screen, then click on settings at the bottom left of the screen. Once you're here, click on payments to access the payment section of your Shopify store, and then scroll down to payment methods, in which you will see that PayPal is added as a payment method, but it's not activated yet. So click on activate PayPal, then click on activate PayPal Express Checkout at the bottom right of the screen. You will be redirected to the PayPal website, from which you will be asked to enter your email and then select a country or region, and after that you will need to enter your password, and once you do that you will be logged into your account and it will be linked directly to your Shopify store. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can add and link your PayPal account to your Shopify store. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.